Ever wondered why some people rake in cash with affiliate marketing while others barely make pennies? Discover the secret affiliate strategy that's creating overnight successes and how you can use it to explode your earnings before it's too late. Affiliate marketing can feel like trying to solve a mystery, but the truth is it all comes down to understanding how to showcase products in a way that resonates with your audience. Imagine you have the best gadget on the market, one that could effortlessly make life easier for so many people. Yet without the right promotional tactics, it's like having a Ferrari without the keys. Promotion is your powerhouse. It's what gets that engine started and gets eyes on your product. Now let's debunk a common myth that affiliate success is all about the size of your following. It's not just about numbers. It's the connection you create with each viewer, reader, or follower. How? By identifying products that align perfectly with their needs and desires, creating content that speaks to those needs, and presenting solutions in a way that feels almost tailor-made for them. But promotion is more than just talking about a product. It's telling a story. People love stories because they can see themselves in them. When you promote a product, you're not just listing features. You're crafting a narrative of how this product is going to upgrade their life, solve their problems, and perhaps even fulfill their dreams. And the beauty of affiliate marketing is the multitude of platforms at your disposal: blogs, social media, emails, videos. Each one allows you to weave a different thread of this story. Remember, every promotional content piece should lead to another, keeping your audience hooked, anticipating the next chapter. Mastery in this keeps your audience not just watching, but waiting for more, ensuring they stick with you until the very end and click that affiliate link. Before we move on to the next secret that successful affiliates swear by, tell me, which product have you encountered that had a promotional strategy that really stuck with you? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other's discoveries. Selecting products that resonate with your audience isn't just about what sells. It's about knowing what clicks with the community you've built. Successful affiliates understand that their followers look to them for genuine recommendations, not just random selections with high commission rates. Now imagine you're the go-to guru for eco-friendly living. Your audience values sustainability and looks to you to guide their green choices. Here's where you shine. You don't just pick any eco-friendly product. You pick the bamboo toothbrush with a backstory of supporting local communities. You're not just selling toothbrushes. You're narrating a story of ecological and social harmony that resonates with your audience's core beliefs. To connect even deeper, personalize your product experiences. Share your first-hand account of switching to that compostable smartphone case, the impact it had on your daily routine, and your contribution to reducing plastic pollution. It's about making the product journey relatable, starting an authentic conversation, and building a connection that turns followers into advocates. Ever came across a product that seemed like it was just waiting for you to find it? How did it make you feel? Drop a line in the comments about that one product you stumbled upon that felt tailor-made for your lifestyle. And remember, it's the resonance that leads to engagement, and engagement that leads to success. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, the right mix can make all the difference. Content marketing is where your brand's voice and your audience's needs meet. It's about crafting stories that inform, entertain, and solve problems. Now couple that with the power of SEO. Picture SEO as a map that helps search engines find that beacon. It's about using the right keywords like secret trails that lead customers to your content over anyone else's. When done right, SEO isn't just about rankings. It's about becoming the most visible signpost in a sea of digital content. But we cannot forget social media, a dynamic stage where your brand performs. Every post, live session, or story is a scene in an ongoing narrative that makes your audience feel connected to your community. As you share your content here, think of each platform as a unique venue, reaching different segments of your audience with tailored messages that resonate. And then there's email marketing, the personal letter among public billboards. It's the quiet conversation amidst the social media noise. This is where you get to say, hey, I've got something you might like, and offer a peek behind the curtain with exclusive insights, tips, or early access deals. So have you ever received an email that felt like it was written just for you, or found a piece of content that answered your question before you even asked it? How did that influence your perception of a brand? Share your experiences in the comments, and let's explore how these elements combine to not just reach, but truly engage with potential customers. In the world of marketing, navigating the vast sea of promotional strategies requires more than a captain's intuition. You need the right instruments to track your journey. Just like a ship's captain needs a compass to find true north, marketers use essential metrics to gauge the effectiveness of their promotional strategies. Think of metrics as waypoints that confirm if you're sailing towards success or veering off course. First up, we have to talk about the treasure of the marketing world, engagement rates. This gem tells you how much and how often your audience interacts with your content. Why should you care? Because it's a direct line to understanding what resonates with your audience. Next on our chart is the conversion rate. This number isn't just digits on a screen. It's the percentage of visitors to your website or followers on social media who take the action you want, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. And why is this gold? Because it's about results. It's the fruit of your promotional efforts turning into tangible outcomes. But a true marketer's map isn't complete without tracking customer acquisition cost. This metric tells you how much you're spending to gain just one customer. It's crucial because it impacts your budget and profitability. Keep it too high, and you might as well be throwing gold coins overboard. Now, while you're keeping an eye on the horizon, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how you can connect these metrics to improve your business strategy? Which one of these metrics do you think could be your compass, guiding you to untold riches? Let's set sail in the comments below and chart the course to success together. Adjusting tactics based on performance data isn't just about tweaking numbers. It's like being the captain of a ship and steering it clear of storms to find the smoothest seas. Imagine this. You're looking at your engagement rates, and you notice that videos featuring customer testimonials are creating a buzz. Suddenly, you've got a segment of content that your audience loves, a beacon signaling where to focus your efforts. As we navigate further, we hit the conversion rate. This number tells us how many people are actually following the map we've laid out for them. So if we're seeing more sign-ups or sales when we post infographics instead of long-form articles, for instance, that's a gust of wind filling our sails. We'll weigh anchor more on those types of content and watch how our treasure anchor revenue starts to climb. But let's pause and look at the horizon. There's a cost to every journey, our customer acquisition cost. If we're spending more coins than we're finding, then we need to plot a new course. It could mean adjusting our marketing sales, like targeting a different demographic or refining our ad copy. The trick is to keep our spend as low as the depth of a snorkeling area, ensuring our treasure chest grows fuller. Here's the real secret. These metrics are like stars in the sky, and by understanding their patterns, we can follow them to new riches. We fine-tune our content, adjust our marketing spend, and watch as our ship sails towards a horizon of success. Has there been a time when changing tactics based on data made a difference for your journey? Share your story below, and let's uncover more secrets to success together.